Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how to turn any iPhone into a dumb phone. Now this is actually very fun and it will be probably very useful for a lot of people. Now anytime you just want to get rid of all the different distractions that you get from your iPhone, you can just use this app to turn your iPhone into a dumb phone and just relax a bit away from all the stuff that we get from our iPhones and just have the essentials that you actually need. So here's what I'm talking about. We have this app right here. It's called Dumb Phone, and it allows you to basically turn your iPhone completely into a dumb phone. This is how it works. First of all, you open the app right here and you will have this widget that you can add from this app. Now you can actually edit this. This is the default that you will see once you open this app. You will also have a setup guide right there, but I will show you guys how to do this. So right here you will have all the apps that you can launch with this app, but you can of course go ahead and customize this. You can customize here the looks. So if you just want to adjust here basically the names of the apps, place them anywhere you want on the screen, also change to different colors. You will also have the wallpapers here that go with this app. I will show you guys that in a second, but first of all, if we go right here, we have the apps. You can see these are the default ones. We can of course rearrange these any way we like. We can go ahead and tap add more, which allows us to actually add more apps. You will have a ton of apps right here, but of course that's the point here. You need to have as less apps as possible so you don't get distracted by other apps. So here we have the apps. We have now them set up. I like to have them on the middle right here, the name of course. It looks good. Now it's the time to set them up on the home screen. Now first of all, we need to download the wallpaper that will go with this widget so it actually looks nice and clean on the home screen. So we go to wallpapers, there's the one right there. We have other ones as well. And if you go to more wallpapers, you will have more if you decide to actually go with different colors, but I think this one, the default one, looks the best. So let's go ahead and go to the home screen, go to a blank page right here and just add the widget from this app. So there we have the widget. Now what I suggest you do is go ahead and tap the edit button, go to customize and tap on large right here. Now you can place it right there at the top, or I'd suggest that you place it right here. Now if you just want to be distraction free here on your iPhone, go ahead and remove also the dock icon. So let's just place them right here. And now what I'm going to do is I will disable actually all the other pages and just have this one page left. Now let's go ahead and set the wallpaper from this app. So here now we have set the wallpaper that we just downloaded from this app. And as you can see, this is how it now looks. It's actually very clean, nothing else here, just these names of these apps. And of course, you can go ahead and open them directly from here. You can see it works properly as in icon would actually work. So it's actually very useful. Now what you can else do with this app is that you can also use this app combined with screen time to actually block all the other apps. So if you have these apps right here that you actually want to set on your home screen, you have selected a few, you can go ahead and block the others. You just go right here to detox mode and tap right there and you will have here the blocked app. So you can go ahead and select the apps that you want to block. It will show you here all the different categories. You can of course tap right there. It will show you all the apps that you have. You can go ahead and just select any app you want to actually block. And once you have done that, those apps will actually be blocked, which is pretty awesome, which means that once you start here the detox, you won't be able to go into those apps and you will be able to only use these apps right here. You can see how cool it looks, and it will actually be very useful as it will help you a lot to actually remove all kinds of different distractions that you get all day from your iPhone. So in the case maybe when you have to study or have to focus on work or something else, you don't want to be distracted by your iPhone, you can go ahead and just turn your iPhone into a dumb phone. So that's it for this video, guys. You will find the link to this app in the description of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you did and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.